us today on the show Rupali Kudeshia, who is the principal of TPS of Sushant Lok. There's also Nayan Parekh, an educationist, here on our show. So, Mr. Parekh, here is the problem. Even the centers now come out and said the children, those under 18, are indeed vulnerable. So, is online examination a possibility?
Meghna, I feel online examination is a very good possibility, except that because of digital divide and so many of our rural students not being able to appear for online exam because of connectivity challenge, we need to provide also for an option of physical exam. For the students, about 30%, I think, is our estimation. I am involved with a few universities as board of governors, and I feel that that what Rupali is saying, if we do mass promotion, then 12th is a very defining kind of a year in a student's life. And even I would remember what I scored in the 12th, and that kind of, decides the trajectory of my educational journey. And therefore, I feel it is very important to at least conduct an examination. Now, there are 2-3 options that we have. One is have an option where students can go for online, or for whoever cannot go for online exam, they have an option of offline, and they can therefore, because of not having connectivity, would not miss out on the exam. But it is important for them to give exam, because if we don't conduct that, then I would find that most of the universities would not have seats for mass promoted students, because suddenly from 50-60% of students, now we would have 100% of students who would be seeking limited seats which are available in universities. And I feel therefore that it is very important for us to do and conduct an exam. We cannot do like 10th the mass promotion for 12th, because that's a defining year. We need to find some way of meritorious, maybe some kind of an online basic examination, MCQ, plus some kind of, couple of options. So if you miss out on one exam because of coronavirus, you have 15 days after again, when you can appear in the exam. But we must be able to conduct the 12th examination. I think mass promotion like 10th is not an option.